getting a little bit hotter out. I love making this chilled pea soup, and what's the key ingredient? Pods. We always toss these away, make an incredible stock. So come over here, a little bit of butter, by a little bit I mean a ton. Add all your pods, give us a little turn, a little bit of salt. We're also gonna be adding cucumber to the soup itself, so might as well toss in the beautiful peel of the cucumber. And I'm just gonna take out the middle. Tarragon, if you've ever used tarragon before, it's got kind of that beautiful anise thing going on, that fennel thing. The stems I just crack and add. And I'm just gonna coat these in water. It's already turning kind of green. Drain out about a cup. I got a little bit of those cucumbers. I'm only gonna use one of those halves. The cucumber just makes it so refreshing and good. To give us just a little bit of punch, a little bit of sour, I've got some yogurt, just Greek, beautiful, whole fat yogurt. You can use the non-fat, I'm not judging. And then some buttermilk. Some rice wine vinegar, about a tablespoon, we can always adjust. Big pinch of salt. Where's my salt? There we go. A blender, anything you got. I've got one of these stick blenders, love mine. Just a swig more of vinegar, it's up to you. I like mine a little punchy. Grab a nice couple ladles. Love that color. It just screams spring. Got a good amount of that crab. It's just sweet. Adds a little bit of texture. Sumac. It's sour. I love it. Just a finish of olive oil. That is just perfect. And you can serve it exactly like this. You can chill it down even colder, get it in the freezer for about 10-15 minutes, or just throw it in the fridge. The colder, I think, the better. There's nothing